I'm Michael Sutherland, Sales Manager at EnsLexus. At ENS, customer service has always been our top priority, which is why we've been able to serve you during this difficult time. Our technicians begin their day by meticulously wiping down our courtesy cars, door handles and desks, and this process is repeated after each guest interaction. For your safety, some areas of our dealership remain closed to the public. When you arrive for your service visit, pull into our service drive-thru, remain in your vehicle, and a member of our service team will greet you. While respecting social distancing, we'll discuss your vehicle's servicing needs. If prearranged, your courtesy vehicle will be sanitized and ready for your use. The same measures are being taken by our sales team. We ask that you make an appointment to speak with us regarding a new or premium pre-owned vehicle, to book a test drive, or to arrange final paperwork and delivery. Most information and paperwork can be discussed on the phone or by video conference, and final paperwork can be completed electronically as well. We'll also transmit documents directly to your insurance agent so that you can easily obtain coverage for your new vehicle. Thank you for being part of the EnsLexus family. Please call on us for anything you may need. We look forward to serving you.